Welcome everybody to Ash and Cha. Well, now. So myself, Ash, and
Ah.
uh, today we are going to try some Bisayan, Afrikaans, and English animal names. So I don't know Bisayan. Well, 3 or 4 words maybe. And for Charlene, she's just learning Afrikaans slowly but surely. So we're gonna see.
Mhm.
It's gonna be fun. What do you think, love? Some interesting words in between, pronunciation wise. You ready?
Yeah.
She doesn't sound ready. She sounds nervous. Like this is gonna be a test. Not gonna be a test though. This is just basically
Okay.
for me to learn. I love.
Nate, let's get started.
She wants to get started. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into the first one. We have. Why is it not working? Now it's working. Okay, we got a cute little cat.
Ooh.
So in Afrikaans, we will say kat. And love, Bisayan.
Earring.
So let me try that. Iring.
Mm-hmm. Hot.
Oh,
It's
perfect.
hot
Yes,
full.
that's different. So we got iring, kat, cats. So easy enough
Mm.
to start with. And super cute.
Mm.
Next one. Oh, we got
Ooh.
dogs. We got two little puppies. So English, dog. Afrikaans, hond. And let me try the
Wood.
Bisaya. Iro.
Hero.
Oh, okay. So I think
Mm-hmm.
I'm passing so far. 2 out of 2. Next
Mm.
one. Oh, we got this thing.
Oh my God.
Oh, I like the picture. Like right in your face. We got
Of course.
cow. Come, love. Let's try the Afrikaans. Can you try say that word?
Oi.
Oh, well
I
done.
don't
Yes,
know.
it's right. It's qui. And then the
Oi.
Visayan, the same as the Spanish, baka.
Baka tayo.
Now that's Japanese for something completely different. Okay, so we got delicious oh walking steak here. Next one. Oh, we got some chickens. So the
Mm.
Visayan will be, let me try,
Favorite word.
manok.
Yes, that's right.
And try the Afrikaans, love.
Afrikaans. Hunder. Hunder.
Yes, perfect. Hunder. Because there's two ways that you can say it depending on where you're in the country. You could say huner
Oh.
or hunder. Both would
Oh.
is acceptable. So yeah, got some chickens. Ah,
Blikkuner.
yes, like the black huner that we made a while ago. Okay. Then next one
Mm-hmm.
we got little piggy. We got pig.
Spark. Spark.
Yeah. And we got baboy, I hope.
Baboy.
Baboy. Okay, so yeah, baboy, park, pig.
Mm-hmm.
Next one. Oh, sticking out his tongue at us, but it's okay. So we got little goat.
Boktroli.
No, that's a kind of food from South Africa. It's a snack. She's just thinking of random words. But yeah, we got bok. And then I don't know why the Bisayan one is so long for such a small
Just two
animal.
syllables.
Kanding.
Yeah. Good
Kanding.
job.
Okay. Try the next one. We've got a little quack quack.
Ian.
Ient. Yes, we got the duck. Ient. And then Bisayan. I see there's two different words that we can use. Can be itik or pato.
Pato.
Pato. Okay, pato. Okay, but ient, perfect
Mm-hmm.
love. Okay, then we got next
Yes.
one. Got a goose.
Oh. Hans or
Hans, yes,
Hon-
perfect. Goose, Hans. It was so how can I say? A long vowel, Hans, because we drag it out.
Hans.
And then for the Bisayan, ooh, I'm scared of this one. Gangsa?
That's perfect.
Okay, so Gangsa, Hans, Goose.
Ooh.
Then we got little boy here looking in the mirror, seeing how handsome he is. So we got the monkey.
Up,
Up,
up.
up.
Mm.
Okay, and then,
Up, eight.
well, it was similar.
That's how I remember it.
Yeah, it's the best way to remember it. Then we got Ungoy, I hope.
Yes.
Okay, so
Very good.
thank you, teacher. So we got Ungoy, up, monkey. Next one, ooh, something a little bit scary. So we got
Oh my gosh.
crocodile.
Crocodile. Is
Close.
it? Crocodile?
Crocodile. Crocodile. Yes, that's better, love. Crocodile. And
Mm.
buaya.
Yes.
So
Buaya.
buaya, crocodile, crocodile.
Mm.
Scary looking thing, but such a cool animal. Then we got uh
Fish.
yes, a fish, and then actually easy to remember in Afrikaans, ista,
Yeah.
because it's a similar phrase that we can use. So ista,
Uh-huh.
fish,
Is that
and fissy or fish. Then we have
moist?
yes, perfect.
Moist?
Moist, yeah, moist.
Rot?
Rot, yes. So we
Rot?
got same in English we'll have mouse and rat. So mice Afrikaans, mouse English, rot Afrikaans, rat English. But I saw there's only one word in Bisayan for
Mm.
so let me try ilaga, ilaga,
Ilaga.
ilaga.
Yeah, it's just the last syllable. It's always um like a rough pronunciation.
Ga, ga, okay.
Ga.
So same as Afrikaans then.
Neat.
Ilaga. Okay. So interesting one there. Then we have
Hair.
yes, perfect. Pat. That's a horse. Okay, beside it would be caballo.
Carpet.
Okay, so caballo, pat, horse. Then pretty cool
Oh my
one.
God.
Very easy.
Bull.
Yes, so we got um
Same.
same as the English is the pronunciation is slightly different. We got English
Bull.
bull, Afrikaans bull, and then
Bull.
Bisayan, yeah, bull. And then
Mm.
the Bisayan, same as the Spanish again, toro.
Mm.
Because I always remember like El Toro. So
Yep.
cool one there. Okay, what about this one, love?
Ada. Oh.
Yes, perfect. We got Pada, frog. And then the Bisayan, Baki,
Baki.
Baki. So harder B sound. Okay, so Baki, Pada, frog.
Remember the story about Pada?
Yeah, it's an interesting story, love, but not for YouTube though. Okay, then we got you're good at this word.
Lang.
Yes, we got slug, which is snake, and for the English way of looking at the Bisayan word, biting, like bating,
Bitin. Oh. Or ahas.
ahas.
Has.
Ah,
Or yeah, has. Just has. Bitin
okay,
or has.
okay. So batin or what's the other one?
Has. Ahas in Tagalog.
Uh, okay, but I like the bating because it's easy to remember.
Biting.
Yeah, just add a G in. What does a snake do? It bites you. So bating. Okay, there we
It's the one
have
way.
we got
Skill pad.
Ah, you saw that. Good job. Now, this is interesting because in English, we differentiate between turtle, which is one that can swim
So,
basically, and tortoise, which is one
oh,
that's on land. But in Afrikaans, and I saw the Bisaya word as well, we just use a single word
yeah,
for them. So perfect, it's skulpad. Bisaya is bao,
bao,
bao.
makibao.
Okay, so hope my pronunciation is okay. Let's try the next
Yep.
one. Ah, this one is a hard one.
Oh, is it still water?
Nee,
Buffalo?
perfect.
Water buffalo.
Waterbuffel. Nee. So English, the direct translation would be a water buffalo, or like this specific one
Carabao.
would be a carabao. Yeah. So the Bisayan, I saw there's a few different phrases, but these are common
The
ones that I could
first
find. Is
one's Tagalog.
so the first one is Tagalog, so that is a kalabao,
Ni
and then kabao,
Kabao.
kabao. Okay,
Yeah.
but
Just omit the raw.
I see. But then, isn't it just easier to say a carabao, be more universal?
Yeah, still understandable, but
Okay.
yeah, the
Yeah.
science just Kabao.
Okay. Shorter and easier. Okay.
Ni.
Then we got an interesting one because we're seeing similar spellings here.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So English,
Zebra.
yes.
Zebra or zebra?
And Bisayan is.
Zebra.
So that's
Mm,
similar.
we don't have that animal though.
That's fun. It just was interesting to look at
This
the
is the Afrikaans. Afrikaans. No, from South Africa, from Africa.
yes, so we actually
One.
have these guys. You saw them with your own eyes,
Yeah.
or yeah.
That one
So
specific
that was the yeah that was the Cape version. I forgot the full name.
name.
Anyway, so we got a zebra. You could
Zebra.
so if the correct spelling is SE, but if you spell it ZE, it's not frowned upon. It's more like the more modern way of spelling it, but the way we'll say it for both is the same. This is zebra. So zebra.
Zebra.
Yeah.
Like double E.
Yeah, zebra. Mm.
Zebra. Mm.
Okay, so
Yeah.
next one we have big elephant big elephant.
Elephant. Oliphant.
Elephant. Yes, elephant.
Wolifant.
Yeah. And then Basayan is just you have to drag that last part I saw, so elefante.
Mm. That's fancy name. It's just Elepante. No
Elefante.
H. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, so I think also Spanish roots, if I remember.
Maybe.
Yeah, but yeah, elephants, elefante, elephant.
Oliphant.
There we got.
Oliphant. Oh
Oh,
my God.
got some interesting combination there in Afrikaans. So English, vulture.
But vultures are black.
There's
How many different species?
many different species. Yeah, you saw four or
Yeah.
five when we were there.
Mm.
Yeah. So we got vulture. I will try the Bisayan lungum.
Oh, that word is generic though. It applies to all kinds of birds.
Ah, okay. So what would be the correct word for vulture?
Don't know if we have something specific
But that's
though. But still, it's, yeah, langgam.
Okay, interesting. Now in Afrikaans, we have a very literal meaning for this bird. We call it an
Ah,
aasvoël.
for
Aasvoël, which
two
means like
words.
yeah. So voël is bird, and aas
Yeah,
means like bait, like fishing bait
wait.
or like
Ah,
off meats basically. So it's literally this bird goes to eats goes bad English goes around to eat like the rotting meats or the extra meats kind of thing. So
oh,
very literal there.
oh,
Then we got easy one. So English.
Leo, lion,
Yes, perfect. Liu, lion,
Leo,
and then Bisayan,
Leo. It's,
Li, Leon.
yes, Leon.
Oh, so you got an easy one there. The cute little lion here, still a young male.
Kitty, kitty.
Oh, big kitty. You saw this kitty is much bigger than expected.
Yep.
What about this one, the Afrikaans love?
Aaron.
Close enough. Arend. So a long,
Aaron.
yes, perfect. Arend.
Aaron.
So you always drag your A's in Afrikaans. Arend.
Mm.
And
And
then eend. Yes, so if you think eend, Arends. So good.
mm,
So you got eagle, and then Bisayan would be Agila.
Águila.
Agila.
Yep.
Okay. Doing well so far. Then the last one for I'll you like this word.
Hi.
Hi, yeah, just saying like welcoming someone like hi, how are you? Now basically same
Hi,
pronunciation.
Sharky.
Hi shark. Yes, so got shark, hi, and then Bisaya Iho, I hope.
Hijo.
Iho. Okay. So I would say for the Afrikaans, this is like the easiest one to remember
Mm,
just because you just make it HI and it's like exact same spelling. Oh, how you say it. Okay,
yeah.
perfect. So let's quickly go through all of them. So we got iring, cat, cat,
Mm,
iro, hond, dog,
mm,
baka, kui, cow,
mhm,
manok, hoender, chicken,
mm,
baboy, park, pig. It's a little bit of that V sound. Vark, vark.
Par.
Yeah. Then we got kanding, bok,
Bo.
goat. Then we have itik, pato, eend, duck.
Mm,
Gangsa, gans, goose.
mhm,
Ungoi, aap, monkey.
mhm,
Uaya, crocodile, crocodile.
mhm. Mm,
Isda, vis, fish. So,
easiest
still
for me.
feel it sounds weird. Isda sounds
Is the one.
well, it sounds Afrikaans. That's why it sounds strange. Then we have Ilaga, mice, rot, mouse, rat.
Ilaga.
Ilaga, ilaga.
Mm,
Caballo, perd, horse.
mm,
Toro, bull, bull.
el toro.
Bucky, pada, frog.
Paki.
Paki.
Yes.
Biting, slang, snake.
Mm.
Biting, slang, snake. Okay. Sounds like I got those under wraps. uh, there's a hard one. Bao,
Yep.
skulpa, turtle, tortoise. Just gonna go for the short one. Bao,
Yep.
water buffalo, or carabao.
Yep.
Zebra, zebra, zebra. Is that right?
Mm. Yep.
Okay. Elefante, olifant, elephant.
Mm.
Langam, arseful, vulture.
Yeah. Generic one. Langgam.
Langa. Okay, we've got Leon, Liu, lion.
Mm.
Agila, arent, eagle.
Mm-hmm.
The last one, Iho, high, dark.
Hi.
But speaking of high, we have to say bye. So,
Bye.
so thank you guys for entertaining us and sitting through the basic animal names for Bisayan, Afrikaans, and English just to get some context. So I hope everyone enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed this as well, love.
Yep.
Yep.
Learning.
Oh, so yeah, I'll see everyone next time. We'll be here with a different topic. And if there's any animals you would like to see for a future video, just write them down in the comment section, please. So enjoy, have a good time, and I'll see you next time.